welcome to Vlogmas day 17. So today I started the vlog a little later because we had to run some errands in the morning and I was like all rushed. And now it's almost 4 p.m. and it's super dark. Today it's supposed to snow. So I'm gonna just tag you along to whatever I'm doing today. And I'm also gonna show you a pasta recipe that I do when I wanna just do something quick and have dinner ready. So yeah, first thing that I need to do right now is feed myself, feed Grace, and put her down for a nap. So I'll catch you when I'm done doing that. I wanted to share a super easy pasta recipe. This is not anything fancy. This is just my way of doing a quick but yummy meal for my family. First, I boil the pasta on high for 10 minutes. In another pan, I add olive oil, onions, and garlic and cook them for a while. Then I add a cup of water. This helps the meat to cook evenly. To that, I add a pack of defrosted ground beef. I add black pepper, oregano, some adobo, and salt. I cook that for about 15 minutes. I check constantly and make sure the meat is broken apart. Once the pasta is done cooking, I drain it and add a few ice cubes and cold water, so it stops cooking and I can avoid having soggy pasta. Once most of the water in the meat is reduced, I add the pasta sauce and let that simmer for 5 minutes. I serve my pasta with lots of cheese.
Time. You've already spent most of mine.
I hope you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Vlogmas. See you tomorrow.
You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies.